What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Dad Does Videos. As you can see, I'm standing right next to my kitchen sink here. It's a double sink, and as you can see, there's water in each side. This is the side with the disposal. This is the side without the disposal. And I wanted to show you how I solved a problem this weekend. It's a pretty common problem that people have in their kitchen sinks. All of a sudden, you're cleaning or you're flushing something down the disposal, and your sink backs up. I tried plunging, I tried the vinegar and baking soda trick. I even removed the P-trap underneath and made sure that was not clogged. It was not clogged. I even snaked the part of the drain that goes into the wall. That did not solve the problem either. Happenstance, I started talking to a few people around the neighborhood, and they suggested something else, and that's what I'm going to show you today to solve the problem. Okay, first thing that you're going to want to do is on the side of the sink that does not have the disposal, you're going to want to make sure that it is blocked. So I have my strainer right here. It's locked in place. It's not going anywhere. Now we're going to hold down the strainer or whatever blockage you have in place on the side of the sink that does not have the disposal, and then we're going to turn on the disposal until all the water is gone on that side of the sink that has the disposal. So again, I already did this, so I have my disposal blocked right now, so you're gonna see me take that out, but the process is the same. I'm actually gonna turn on the water here because when it gets to the end of the cycle, I just wanna make sure water is still flowing into the disposal. So we'll turn this on, pull my blockage out here just for our purposes today. Hold this down, turn that disposal on. Your water level should go down on the side with the disposal. Turn that off when it goes all the way down. Then turn your water off and then lift up on the side of the sink that does not have the disposal, and it should start to flow down. Again, this is more of a reenactment, but this is the process that I followed. You're going to want to, when you do this, just be aware there might be some water and gunk that shoots up on the disposal side once you lift the seal on the non-disposal side. The reason why this works is because since you're blocking the non-disposal side, that disposal works as kind of a plunger, and it forces all that stuff into the gunk or whatever blockage that you have. Hopefully this works for you. I am not a plumber. Again, this just happened to pop up while I was talking to some neighbors about the issue, and they suggested this, so I'm just sharing what worked for me.